In this video, you will learn that how to add analog flex sensor to the Proteus. So for that, you must have the external library, and you can see here, this is the analog flex sensor library for Proteus. You can see here it's having the 4 files, and you can download this library from the link provided in the description. Download it. It's a zip file, then unzip it, and after unzipping it, you will get this folder. Open it, and then you can see here the 4 files. Now copy all the select all the 4 files and then copy it. Now search the Proteus from here. In my case it's an is. So here you can see the Proteus 7. Right click on it and then click on open file location. Now here go one step back and select the Proteus 7 professional folder, and here you can see the library folder. Now open it, and now paste all the 3 files that we have copied from the library folder. Now paste these files here. You can see here I have already added these, so I would not replace it, but in your case it will be added, so I will cancel it. And now open the Proteus file. If you have already opened it, then close it and reopen it again. So from component mode, search for the flex sensor. So here you can see the flex analog. So click on it and then double click it, and now place it here in the Proteus. So here you can see the flex sensor. Here you can see the test pin, and you will have to connect the test pin with the potentiometer. The G pin should be connected with the ground. The O pin should be connected with the, this is the out pin, and with Arduino or microcontroller the V pin should be connected with 5 volt. Let me place another. Here you can see that flex analog as well. So this was the method of how to add analog flex sensor to the Proteus. The library's link is available in the description. You can download from there. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. Also like and share the video. Visit my channel for more videos related to Arduino. Thanks for watching.